All right, so we're on deck 2 this time in 2323. And they're still probably cleaning. All right, this is 2323, ocean view. All right, this is an ocean view room, and you come in, typical Carnival older ship, your desk area over here, little table here. That's what Anthony will end up sleeping on, a little couch, turns into a bed, and both of the twins pushed together for like a king. Got a TV over here, got a fridge on the bottom, you got cabinet space on both sides. You got drawers. Top one's your hair dryer. You got closet here to hang your stuff. Top and bottom. And then we got some people out there that are rowdy, talking really loud. Right here you got life vests, safe. All right, here's your room information. All right, so bathroom wise, pretty small bathroom, but like most cruise ships, it's that way. You got your top electrical outlet there for a shaver. Bottom trash can, throne, and this is a square with your shampoo and conditioner over there, or shower gel. Got the pull string that goes across. All right, so let's go back and look at the ocean view part of this. Again, we're on 2323. After the ship. Little tables on each side, and boom, we got the annex outside, the pier this time. So once we get out on the ocean, we'll show you what it looks like. But that's what we look like. There's Michelle and Anthony saying hey.
Hey.
A lot of room in here. This actually looks like a pretty big room.
Huge. Oh my gosh, this is massive. Wow.
2323. And Michelle is hot.
I'm burning up.
Burning up. Hot up in here. All right, so in our room, we got cherry on top, chocolate chip cookies from the Stokes family. So life is good today. Thank you for this. We've already broke into it and ate a few. Anthony, did you like them?
Yeah.
They were pretty darn good. So thank you, Alma and Ronnie and the family. Thank you.
Thank you.
CPAP hookup. This helps you without being a trip hazard.
Yes. So
Michelle bought this extension
cord.
cord that has a dual split on it, and going to each side of the bed because we both need to use a CPAP machine. So
It's important to breathe.
and no trip hazard. Thank you for checking out this video. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. We've got over 60 some videos on the Carnival Sunshine. Thank you.